Brief, accurate and important news of today's Wednesday. Acting Minister of National Defense Maulavi Muhammad Yaqub Mujahid visited the 207 Al-Faruq Corps during his trip to the west of the country. He said, having an organized, professional and independent army in the country is one of the goals of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, and it was the wish of the people of Afghanistan which fortunately has now been fulfilled. The Afghanistan Electricity Company said in the accountability program to the nation. In the year 1445, Afghanistan Electricity Company paid about $102 million to Uzbekistan, about $80 million to Tajikistan, about $56 million to Turkmenistan, and about $65 million to Iran. Maulavi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the administrative deputy of the Prime Minister's Directorate, said, at the graduation ceremony of the students of Kabul Polytechnic University, we are proud of today's students. We hope that they have got high grades and good talent. They will proudly work for the poor country. The Afghan Red Crescent says, in Herat province, 8,500,000 Afghans have been given in cash aid to 1,000 widows. The Chief Justice of the country, Sheikh Abdul Hakim Haqqani, met with the officials of the Western region during his visit to Herat. Kabul Governor Sheikh Muhammad Qasim Khalid met with the flood-affected people in the Arghandi area of Paghman district and expressed his consolation. Kabul municipality says more than 2,000 metric tons of waste have transferred from the blocked canals and drains in the 8th district. The National Food and Drug Administration says in the area related to the 5th district, with the help of Kabul municipality, dozens of expired drugs were discovered and seized.